Hi guys, this is Shrika here from the Pro Review channel, and in this video we're gonna learn how to install Xposed framework on your Asus ZenFone 5 Lollipop. So guys, for installing Xposed on your Asus ZenFone 5, please follow my steps. Step 1. Root your Asus ZenFone 5. Step 2. Unlock your bootloader of your Asus ZenFone 5. So guys, if you have not done this, please watch my previous videos on how to root and unlock your bootloader. So guys, the link is in the description. The third step is to download Xposed and the ADB files. So guys, the same thing, the link is in the description, so please download it. The fourth step is to install storage space and ES File Explorer on your Asus ZenFone 5. As you have downloaded the Xposed file, please open the Xposed folder. Go to the driver section. So we have 4 drivers over here. That is the ADB driver, Intel DRV setup 1.1.5, Intel DRV setup 1.10, and the minimal ADB fastboot. So we have 2 ADB drivers. That is the 1.1.5. So guys, the 1.1.5 is for Windows 7, XP and Vista users. The 1.10 is for Windows 8, 8.1 and the 10 users. So guys, now open the Xposed for ZenFone 5 folder. So we have 3 files. First one is the image file, the second one is the APK file, and the third one is the zip file. So guys, copy the APK file and the zip file to your internal storage. So guys, as you have downloaded the storage space, please open storage space. Now go to the mounted partitions. So guys, now you can see the system part. So there's 19 MB free out of 1.23 GB. So guys, we at least need 50 MB free. So now we'll be uninstalling the ThinkFree APK or the ThinkFree file. So guys, now we'll be uninstalling the ThinkFree app. For that, go to settings, apps, go to all, scroll down. So now here we'll find the ThinkFree Office, that is the APK file. Open the ThinkFree Office. So now we'll be uninstalling this ThinkFree Office. Click on the uninstall button and click on OK. So guys, ThinkFree is uninstalled. Now open the ES File Explorer. Please enable your root explorer. Go back. So now go to the device option, scroll down, open the system folder, open the app folder. Now scroll down again. So here we'll find the ThinkFree app. So let's go to the properties and check the size of the ThinkFree app. So it says 36.39 MB. So now we're gonna delete this folder. So click on the delete button and press OK and click on grant. So now let's check the space of your system. So open the storage space app, go to the mounted partition. So now we have 55 MB free of 1.23 GB. So now we'll be able to install Xposed on your Asus ZenFone 5. Guys, as you have copied the APK file and the Xposed zip file, we're going to flash the zip file in the TWRP mode. So guys, now as we have not installed the TWRP, please open the Xposed folder, click on the Xposed for ZenFone 5, copy the TWRP image and paste it in your ADB folder. So guys, people who have not flashed your TWRP can flash this. Please don't flash it twice. So now hold the shift button and open command window over here. There's an option over there, so open it. So we have CMD. Now let's take our phone to the bootloader. So guys, the command is adb reboot bootloader. So guys, the process is going on. To flash TWRP, guys, the command is fastboot flash recovery space twrp dot img. Now press enter. So guys, the TWRP is flashed. Now we should go to the recovery mode manually. So go to the recovery mode, click on the power button. So guys, now we are in the TWRP mode version 2.8.7.0. So guys, click on the install option. So guys, now as you have copied the expose to the internal storage, please open the zip file and swipe to confirm flash. So guys, exposed is actually getting flashed, so please be patient. Now please wipe catch in Dalvik catch and swipe to wipe. So guys, after this, please press the back button, go back to reboot and system. So guys, your phone is actually gonna be restarted, so please be patient. So guys, this is going to take some time. So guys, I'm gonna skip this. Guys, after your phone boots, now we have successfully flashed exposed zip file. Now to install the APK file, please open the ES File Explorer. Go to internal storage, scroll down, and now please install the APK file. Now click on open. So open framework. So it says Xposed framework version 79 is active. So guys, we have successfully installed Xposed framework on your Asus ZenFone 5. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. So guys, if you have any problem, please notify me in the comment section. So my next video will be on how to install ZenMotion on your Asus ZenFone 5. Thank you.